How to verify X account age. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your X application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option you see there. Now in this particular interface, you will see the option for premium. So tap on the premium option you see there, as verifying your age requires a premium account on X. So once you have tapped on the premium option you see there, you will be required to subscribe and pay the premium version of X. And once you have subscribed and paid the premium version of X, you will then be able to verify your age on X and also be able to make a lot of other changes with the premium account, as the unpaid version does not allow you with a lot of features that the premium version allows. So this was about how you can verify your age on X. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.